How to use Claude in VS Code. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Visual Studio Code application on your device and then go ahead and tap on the extensions option from the left side toolbar. Now in the search bar, go ahead and search for Claude and you will then see a bunch of options for Claude. So go ahead and open the official option of Claude, which is the Anthropic one. So tap on the install option you see there and then go ahead and tap on the Trust Publisher and Install button in order to complete the installation process for Claude with VS Code. Now simply wait for the installation process to be completed. This totally vary depends on your internet speed. Now once you have downloaded Claude successfully on your VS Code, simply tap on the Mark Done button option you see there. And with this, as you can see, VS Code is now connected with Claude. You can then go ahead and simply create a new file or simply open an existing file and then go ahead and use Claude in it. So this was about how you can use Claude with VS Code. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.